Curious about the role of an order picker? Order pickers are the backbone of efficient distribution. They skillfully navigate warehouses, selecting and preparing products for shipment with precision and attention to detail. Order pickers ensure accurate inventory management, carefully picking items according to orders, and maintaining a well-organized supply chain. Their role ensures products reach customers promptly and in perfect condition. Order pickers come in different types, shaped by factors like company size, industry, and job specifics. Retail order pickers handle product arrangement for sales environments, while wholesale order pickers manage goods for distribution. Distribution order pickers organize products for business supply and production plants. Order pickers juggle responsibilities like tracking inventory digitally, accurately picking products, and maintaining a smooth flow of goods, ensuring timely deliveries and satisfied customers. Partnering with Randstad connects you with top employers and exclusive job opportunities. Our tailored support and expert guidance empower you to excel in the world of order picking. Ready to embrace the world of order picking? Dive into limitless possibilities and play a vital role in keeping the supply chain moving.